Hello, my name is Martin Moore and I'm going to teach you a very quick trick using a toothbrush. Your friends will think you're some sort of toothbrush ninja. All you need is a toothbrush and some water. Wet the toothbrush. Shake off the excess water so it's not going to spray in your face. You have the toothbrush with the bristles pointing away from you. You get your finger, and with your finger you're going to make a very small circle, as if you're drawing a little circle with the end of your finger. You balance the toothbrush on your finger, and then you start making the little circle. Toothbrush spins around in a circle. With a little bit of practice you'll be able to do it without looking. That is today's quick trick. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe, please like, leave me a comment, maybe come back and watch some more videos. I'm Martin Moore. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your toothbrush ninja trick.